Mother's Day Assembly.
Happy Mother's Day to all the AKS mothers.
First is nursery that will be singing a beautiful song for their mums.
My mummy makes me happy when she bakes yummy brown cinnamon bread with me. My mummy is beautiful, kind and special because she loves me lots and lots.
Mummy plays Jenga with me and cooks me chicken curry. My mom takes me to the park.
Mummy goes on the peloton every day in the morning. We go on walks with Nellie and Pippi. We go on the front. I enjoy cooking toad in the hole with Mummy. It tastes delicious. My mummy feels happy when I give her snuggles. Moo takes me for bike rides. She cooks me really nice rice pudding.
Next, we have Year 1, who is reading a beautiful poem for their mums.
My mum is kind and pretty and has dark purple hair. I love it when we go to Fairhaven Lake.
It makes me happy when my mum stays off work to go to exciting holiday with me. My mum is really special because when I am sick, my mummy makes me feel better and mummy makes me happy. Her job is to take care of me and my little sister. We love to go on holidays to Florida and Dubai. Mummy is kind, caring, loving, hardworking and helpful. My favourite thing about my mum is every night she reads me a chapter of The Naughtiest Schoolgirl. Mum makes funny jokes and funny faces. Mum is gentle with Scarlett and me.
Next we have reception singing a beautiful song for their mums.
I love my mommy,
Mum makes brownies and cupcakes with me, and Mum makes delicious dinners.
My mum works for the police. I love baking with my mum. We make chocolate brownies. They are delicious.
We go everywhere together and we make delicious food together. And she is kind to me and she helps me if I get something wrong. My mummy's job is a nurse and she works hard every day for me and my sister. My mummy is so special because she's always there for me. Me and Belle made a Ferrero Rocher pyramid for Mum's birthday, and Mummy also played football for Preston North End, and she can do 100 kick-ups. She is a very sporty person. We hope you enjoy our Mother's Day assembly.
We hope you have a lovely day on Sunday.